Previously, in our last episode,
Flip, flop, flooba-dee-ba-bop, a flea-ba-bee-ba-bop, oh flip.
and just ahead,
Hello, Tony.
OG Creations is filmed before a live studio audience of two cats. G here from OG Creations. While I was shopping for blinks this past holiday season, I finally came across a cotton singlet that I could tie-dye.
Hello, Tony. Hey to the folks.
They're uber comfortable, and as soon as you finally shimmy into them, all you want to do is kick back and crash.
The winner gets to be the bottom.
For this one, I knew I wanted to stay in those wintry shades of blue, while keeping a lot of the original white singlet visible. So what did this fucking homo do?
What'd you do?
I took a picture of Elsa and color matched my dyes. So if you want to
Build a snowman.
or you just want to dial a dick and go blow a man, either way we're gonna have a lot of fun. Just stay far away from OSU or that walking piece of shit Jim Jordan.
Oh, you stink!
I'm dying to see how this one ends.
Let's get started. Let's start with a locker room singlet from Into In Bodywear. This ivory singlet is 90% cotton and 10% spandex. I'm going to use the Geode technique. I gather the material in wadded up small sections and secure it using a wax thread known as sinew. I move down an inch or so and will secure it again. It's soaked in a soda ash bath for 25 minutes, and then I set it aside for 24 hours until it's practically dry. I then randomly apply and layer my liquid dyes. Today I will be using Glacier Blue, Cobalt Blue, and Teal Blue. After resting for about 2 to 3 hours, I flip the singlet over and apply more dyes. It is then set aside for 48 hours to cure in a 70-degree space. I rinse it in cold water, and then I slowly increase the temperature to hot to ensure that all of the soda ash has been removed. I then run it through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. After being dried, ironed, and placed into inventory, I add it to my Etsy store ready to purchase. You can get this and similar items by clicking the link above or by visiting ogcreationstore.etsy.com. I absolutely love this. These colors are so wintry and cool, but the fabric is so warm and comfy. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or you just want to leave a comment, make sure to do so in the section below. I really do love responding to everyone, and it helps with the algorithm for new viewers to find my channel, so please comment away. As always, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.